Hi, hello friends, welcome to AppDevTree. Please to subscribe and like button, share this video. Today we are going to know, before going to develop any application like any web application, you want to start programming like HTML. For that we need any interface to develop a application. For that what you have to, we need basic browser like Chrome, Firefox and Edge. Those are the best browser for interface. For that to start HTML code, basically what we need to can write code in Notepad plus writing. For beginners, I prefer to practice in Notepad. Notepad, you have to write each and every line of code. You want to work fast. You want to make suggestions. For that one, you have to pick these tools to be a proficient developer, proficient web developer. For that one, here is some tools to you should pick these two text editor and download them. Most of the, if you are I'm going to download a Sublime Text. Here are some few tools I will list out: Sublime Text, Atom.io, Visual Studio Code, and bracket Notepad++ for Windows, and text made for my Mac. And now I am going with the Sublime Text. I will go to Google and search for Sublime Text. Click on download. Automatically it will move to download page. What is your OS? My OS is Windows. If your Mac OS like OS X, or if you are working on Linux, you can download your platform. Checking for downloading. I'm going for Windows 64-bit version. Now it was downloading. After downloading, just open it and click S to run the program. Checkbox, add the Explore context menu and click next and install. Now Sublime Text was installing in your PC. Installation process was completed, and just finish to complete the process. Now you go to desktop and search for Sublime Text. Just it was installed in your PC. Now start working on Sublime Text. After I created a HTML code. In order to create a new file, I am using a HTML program. This is the HTML editor. This is the simplest way to install the Sublime Text on local PC. If you want to become a web developer, Sublime Text is the best tool to develop in HTML, CSS. It will be most useful. It will suggest you. It will make you fast. It will suggest a code for you. I hope this is the best tool to install. Just go and install Sublime Text, and if you download any one you will like, if you are interested. Otherwise, my suggestion is you go with the Sublime Text. This time simplest easiest way to download Sublime Text and you work on Sublime Text. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and share this.